I'm ready.
So this is how to make a bouquet, a simple bouquet. We're going to be using roses and cherry blossom. So this is Gift wave to us. She's going to be teaching us. So we're using 7 roses. That's the 7th one. Is that okay? That's 6.
No, this 5.
That's 5. Okay. So we still have 1 more, and then 1 more. So she's trying to straighten the flowers so that it's looking really nice. It's coming up. So you do it round it so that it's full at the base. That's the last one. And then scatter it around. So see, it's coming up. But we are not done. So because the colors are blue and white and gray, so we're going to be using the royal blue. So putting the royal blue on it. Putting 2 royal blue cherry blossom. These are called cherry blossom. That's another one. You can see it's getting, so scatter it around so that it's fuller. See, it's coming up. Oh yes, the blue, the sky blue. Use the sky blue. Use the sky blue.